Hey teachers, let's play math vocabulary bingo. As you can see on the screen, there are a bunch of different math vocabulary activities. They cover different grade levels and different sets of words, so feel free to check them all out. For this demo video, I'll be using the 3rd grade set number 1 edition to show you how these activities work. Before you play the game, the setup is pretty simple for your students. All they need is a piece of paper and a pen. As you can see on the screen, students just take a piece of paper and they draw a 4x4 board. If you want, you could also play 5x5. However, I think a 4x4 board works better. If they draw a 4x4 board, this gives them 16 squares to fill up. They will then fill those 16 squares with the vocabulary words you see on the screen. These words that are being filled into the squares are the answers. During the game, which will start in a moment, the bingo balls will release the definitions. Once your students fill up their bingo boards and they can put the words in any places that they want onto their own board, it is time to play the game. Simply click the screen and the bingo ball will be released, showing one of the definitions. Students will then check their board and see if they have the word that matches that definition. And of course, if they do, just like with any bingo, they can mark their board accordingly. That is how this game works. When your students are ready to move on, you simply keep clicking the screen to release the next bingo ball, and you continue from there until you have bingo. It's totally up to you to decide what type of bingo you're looking for, if you want to do the regular bingo or the 4 corners or anything that you feel like doing. Totally your decision. Feel free to add in your own ideas and get creative with it. Just so you know, these Google Slides files are completely editable, so if you feel like making any changes or adding any words, you can certainly do that. Full instructions are included in the activity. Check out these math vocabulary bingo resources today. You and your students will definitely love them.